Moving on in the bulletin, Rahul Gandhi, who till recently had been flouting his anti-graft image, today shared a stage with Adarsh scam-tainted Ashok Chavan. The significance of Ashok Chavan's presence at Rahul's Aurangabad rally has set the political rumour mills abuzz. Remember, it was Rahul Gandhi who forced the Maharashtra government to accept the Adarsh Commission report, which had passed strictures against former Chief Minister. The Maharashtra government had earlier rejected the report, but now that Chavan has been seen sharing the dais with Rahul Gandhi, there are talks of Ashok Chavan's re-entry into favour with the party high command. All right, let's cut across Sahil Joshi, Mumbai Bureau Chief, joining us live on this. Sahil, of all the things that Rahul Gandhi has been saying about property in public life, this really mars that, doesn't it?
See, it was pretty clear from Congress's point of view, because Congress was anyway searching for a leader in Maharashtra, as they will be facing a tough contest for Lok Sabha elections, and especially a place like Marathwada, which has been known as a Congress bastion, and there it matters with Ashok Chavan is on the ground with Congress or he's sidelined. So because of that, when the rally is happening in Aurangabad, it was pretty clear that Congress will have to call on Ashok Chavan on the stage, because he is known to be a popular leader from the Marathwada region, from where 8 seats are there, and Congress is likely to get more. At the same time, Ashok Chavan, it's likely that he might be offered a Lok Sabha ticket from his home constituency, Nanded, but the decision is yet to be taken. But yes, it's the same Rahul Gandhi who had forced Maharashtra government to accept Adarsh Commission report, which was actually rejected by the Maharashtra cabinet, and had saved Ashok Chavan.
Okay.
But now it looks like that Rahul Gandhi has also realized that the political reality and has accepted that Ashok Chavan should be there on the field.
All right, appreciate you joining us. Sahil Joshi, thank you there for giving us the latest on that story. With that.